Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, we're in the middle of spring, of course, but it felt more like winter early this morning. How cold did it get? Well, the coldest temperature we could find early this morning, 32 degrees Taunton, 37 the low in Smithfield this morning, Providence and Newport 41, 38 westerly, as well as New Bedford and the islands offshore were milder in the 40s. We're cool tonight, but it will not get as cold. Down in Narragansett, clouds are on the increase. It's a dry night. It's comfortable. There's really not much going on, not yet, but things will get busy by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. So a dry evening, as we've been talking about really all week long, a wet Friday. In fact, the potential is there for 1 to 2 inches of rain with isolated 3-inch amounts from roughly tomorrow afternoon to tomorrow night. It'll be the final rainfall total. In other words, these numbers will be realized by later tomorrow night. And embedded within this heavy rain, some isolated thunderstorms. Morning commute looks okay. It's really the evening commute. The heaviest rain will occur. The weekend looks unsettled. Now, that's not to say that Saturday and Sunday are stormy, total washouts, but each day features at least the chance of a few scattered showers, but there'll be dry times as well, opportunities to get outdoors. So that's about the only good news we have for the weekend, is that we're not talking, nonstop rain from sunrise to sunset. Locally on Doppler radar, quiet, dry. You see the precipitation well off to our west and the heavier rain down to the south. Now, developing storm that I'm tracking is really drawing in on moisture from two sources. One is the Gulf of Mexico, and the other is out towards the Bahamas. The actual area of low pressure, the storm now across the Ohio River Valley. You can see some of the heavier rain, showers and thunderstorms out along the south of the warm front, the leading edge of some mild air. And all of this will track north and east over the next roughly 24 hours. So that's the location of the storm now. Let's take it into the future. Watch the time bar and be mindful that the yellow and orange represent the downpours and the thunderstorms. And we track this. Let's stop things at around, let's say 7, 8 o'clock. All right, 8 o'clock in the morning. We're cloudy, breezy, and somewhat dry, meaning not a lot of rain, but it wouldn't rule out a couple of isolated showers. You see the real heavy downpours out towards D.C., south of New York City, 8 o'clock in the morning. By early afternoon, we start getting to some of these downpours. This is around 2 o'clock, some heavier rain, and this will extend into the evening commute tomorrow at 6 o'clock with temperatures that'll be in the 50s. The wind will be increasing along the coastline as well. As far as rainfall totals, by 10 o'clock in the morning, there's really not much in terms of amounts. As we get into the afternoon and towards tomorrow night, the first wave of rain bringing anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches of rain. This is up until 11 o'clock tomorrow night, and thereafter some additional rain later tomorrow night. So it's a good soaking over a short period of time. Cloudy, a brief shower, but again, downpours and anything like that not expected the first part of the morning, but heavier rain tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, even an isolated thunderstorm. And with rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches, some localized street flooding is possible. So coming home from work, it's going to take a little longer. Extra travel time, go easy on the gas pedal, allow some extra space between you and the car in front of you, because the rain will be coming down heavy at times. Now, your weekend, again, is not a washout, but each day, both Saturday and Sunday, will feature some occasional showers, but also some dry periods. Looking at temps between 60 and 65. Rather cool early next week. Monday and Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies. Daytime highs between roughly 55 and 60. Morning is manageable as far as travel, and the visibility is not too bad, but tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, some heavy rain and some downpours. A lot of rain last 5 weeks. We've had about 7 inches of rain over the last 5 weeks, and another 1 to 2 inches. So there's certainly no rain deficit.
Yeah, we know. Thanks, Tony.